So what camera should I buy? What microphone should I buy? What lighting should I have? What should my channel be called? These are all really great questions, but they're actually holding you back. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, yes, these are really important questions, and yes, you do need gear, and yes, you need all of that. But here's the thing, there's a point in time that you actually have to just take action. So I don't really recommend you comparing yourself to other channels or someone else. But in this example, I actually do want you to kind of look around because you're actually wasting time. Now, yes, all of these things are super important. You do need great audio, camera, all of those things are really important, but they're actually holding you back. So I don't normally say go out and compare yourself or look around or look what other people are doing. But in this example, you actually do need to look around because you are focusing too much on overthinking all of the things. It doesn't matter what you film with. It doesn't matter what lighting, what brand, what camera, what lens. Yes, they help, and yes, they'll make your content look a lot better, but you should actually just pick up your camera and start filming and use exactly what you have, because part of the overthinking is actually preventing you from actually taking action. And by the time you have all the perfect gear in your head, that other person is way ahead of you. The person that already just picked up the camera, filmed, and is already building an audience. So don't really focus on all the fine details. Get out of your head. No more overthinking. So I hope this video helps you and that it motivates you to just start filming. And as always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.